This would be the most impossible
Can I look
card
at it?
any number ever.
Yeah, I will.
Do you want to look at it?
Yeah, I do.
I'm nervous.
Can I
Go
look?
ahead, turn it over.
That's insane. How the hell does that work? Because even if it was in stack, I riffle shuffled it badly.
Oh, there's no stack. That was a shuffled deck. Completely shuffled deck.
And I made cards up.
When it's
Oh my
at
God,
7,
that's
I moved the
hell.
piles out of the way.
That is actually crazy because then...
This is the one magic trick that I do at every convention that I go to for the past 5 years using a borrowed deck, and it fries absolutely every magician that sees it. Well, probably every magician. Some of them are just being kind because they're smarter than I am. Welcome back to another episode of Fooler. I'm Lloyd.
I'm Kaylee.
Oh, I'm so pro. Oh, you're getting so good at this. Today I'm going to show Kaylee a boring card trick. The first time I seen this trick, it fooled the pants off me. So I don't know how entertaining it's going to be for Kaylee, because I know you don't like card tricks, but hopefully it fools the knickers off you. This is a card from a different deck. I'm not going to try to show Kaylee what it is, but it's got a red back, so you can all see. It's not going to be touched when it floats. Take the deck. It's a regular deck. It's a blue deck, so it's opposite from the red card. Shuffle it until you're happy. There's a second camera here too, so if you go and shuffle in front, everyone knows. I like the little tutty down.
Oh, I look ridiculous. I look ridiculous. There we are.
Good. Can you do a riffle shuffle?
I could try. Not very good at this. See, this is embarrassing now.
Good. It keeps you occupied.
I'm going to drop them all. Oh no. Ready?
Yeah. Do it and just smush them all together instead of trying to do like a bridge, maybe. There we go. That was good. That was great. So, I don't know if everyone can see on camera. The entire deck is completely shuffled. Fair?
Yeah.
Let me give it a bit more mix.
He's going to show off now.
I just got the urge.
Do a proper shuffle.
Proper shuffle, like
show my
like
beautiful riffle shuffle up.
I'm not gonna.
You are.
I'm not.
You totally are.
I can't do this. Oh, it doesn't matter. Right. Look, take the deck.
Okay.
Take 13 cards. Right.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Take another pile of 13 cards. Well, you're right.
From this one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Fair?
Yeah.
Do you want to swap any of these cards that you have for any of these?
No.
No?
No.
Like, do you want to mix any of these two cards around? So do you want to swap some cards from in there to in there?
No.
Happy?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Take either pile and shuffle it up a little bit. I know you're probably bored of shuffling right now. And you're going to deal face up whenever you want. And as you do, you're going to count King, Queen, Jack. And if you hit the same card that you name,
yeah,
then you're going to like call it a deal, like a snap. Okay?
Yeah.
So give it a
go. King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, 2.
A 2.
I got a 2.
2's alright. Do you want to change it?
1.
1. Try again. You can use any card you want. And here's the thing: say you hit a card, or say you say you go 10, 9, 8, and you get to 8, and it's not an 8, it's a 4. If you want to use an 8, you can use an 8. You can use any card you want, so it's really cool.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Do you want that to be a 7?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do we even have a 7? Look, we can just do this. There we go. How's that?
That's cool. I like that.
Fair?
Yeah.
Do the same with this one.
Okay. This is intriguing me a little bit.
Yeah.
Right, so what do I do? Just say the same thing again.
Same thing again.
Okay. See if I hit any. King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't hit any.
Shuffle
Do it
it.
again?
Do it again, and if you want to, you can just make one up.
Okay. King, Queen, Jack, 10. I want that 10.
Yeah, you got 10. Do we even have a 10 in there to put on it, just so we know?
No.
No? Okay, fair. So that's going to be a 10. That's not a 9, that's a 10
That's
now.
a 10, okay.
Is that fair?
Yeah.
Completely
really
fair. So 10 plus 7 is
17.
17. Take the deck.
Yeah.
Deal 17 cards face up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Right, fair?
Queen of spades, yeah.
Queen of spades. So let's just really quickly recap what happened.
Okay.
Deck entirely shuffled by you.
Yeah.
Yeah, fair?
Yeah.
You,
Terrible riffle shuffle.
Then you dealt and stopped at any card that you wanted, any value that you wanted. And you genuinely just decided what the value was.
Yeah.
Right? So even when it didn't match, you just went, that should be a 9, but I'm going to call it 10. And if
Yeah.
it was, well, the 7 wasn't.
Swapped to 7 as well.
That was an ace, but you swapped for a 7. So literally any value you wanted. Fair?
Yeah.
Before we began, this is so crazy. Before we began, I placed one red card down on the table from a different deck.
No, you can't.
I don't want to touch that card.
That's impossible.
I want to show you one more thing. Right? There's no other cards in this deck. There's no duplicates, nothing tricky. It is a genuine regular deck of cards. You could use one from here.
That is impossible if this works.
If it works.
Look at his face.
If it works. Wait. Let's do this. Before you turn it over, should we mark it now? If this is the Queen of Spades, would you be fooled?
Yeah.
Yeah?
100%.
This is not my trick. I actually don't know the crediting on this trick, so I obviously can't teach it because we don't teach other people's material here. But creativity-wise,
yeah, it was really creative. I did
for
everything.
a card trick, yeah, it's like the whole idea of going. I
like the game of chance that you play. It involves.
I've added some things to it with the game of chance where you like deal and snap. I actually come up with a part where you can just change the card, so it throws off the whole snap thing.
Yeah.
So that's the one bit I've added to it. Entertainment.
Yeah, it was quite. I was entertained. 4.
4. So what is it? Fooler.
5.
5. Creativity.
I'd say 4.
4. Entertainment.
4.
And bonus point. Depends if it hits.
Might not work. You know it works though.
I don't know. I didn't look at that card.
Can I?
This would be the most impossible
Can I look
card
at it?
any number ever.
Yeah, I will.
Do you want to look at it?
Yeah, I do.
I'm nervous.
Can I
Go
look?
ahead, turn it over.
That's insane. How the hell does that work? Because even if it was in stack, I riffle shuffled it badly.
Oh, there's no stack.
I know a bit of stack, so there's no
There's
stack.
no stack. No stack. That was a shuffled deck. Completely shuffled deck. By you.
And I made cards up. You didn't know if I was going to do that or not.
No. And I didn't manipulate. Once I obviously I moved the card when you're set at 7. I moved the piles of the way.
That is actually crazy because then the number that I got to wasn't actually. It wouldn't have been 17.
No.
It would have been 16 if I'd have kept the 9 as a 9.
If you kept the 9 as a 9 as the ace,
and the ace.
as the ace, that would have been 10. That would have been a completely different outcome, but you decided it.
Yeah. That's mad. I don't know how that works.
No. That when I first seen it, I didn't see it with the switching of the numbers and stuff. I added that in to make it fooling.
Is it difficult to perform?
No, this is the beauty of it. And if anyone knows the credit into the original plot of this, the original sort of method of this, please comment it down below. I'd love to know more, research more on it, and maybe contact the creator so I can show them some of the subtleties I've added. But yeah, that's pretty self-working, essentially.
That's amazing.
That's self-working. I just love the whole element of, like, they get a pile of cards,
I like the fact that it's
and then
up
it's
to
there.
me. Like, I shuffle the deck. I then shuffle the cards. I then choose the card. I can then change the card.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's all out of your hands. You can't, there's no way you could have put it in a order or
No.
added that card, made sure that that card was there. It's obvious. It's obviously a force of some sort. This is my head's going like trying to work it out. It's got to be a force because that card was on the table the whole time.
Or it was chance.
It can't be chance.
It could have been chance.
That'd be real magic.
Maybe if it wasn't the queen and it was another card, maybe there was a different out.
I don't know. No, I don't know. It wasn't.
Anyway, this has been one of my favourite tricks for years. I was actually going to show it on one of the last Sunday sessions. I rarely show this on camera just because I love fooling magicians with it when I go to conventions. But it's the first time I'm sharing it with all of you out there in the ether. So if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see some tutorials as well, then maybe it would be a good idea to hit that subscribe button. But until next time, folks, I will see you on Sunday.
Bye.